What's good, YouTube? I'm back. It's a little bit different video right now. As you can see, I got the Foamposite 1 cough drops, red and black. I know I'm late. I wasn't really feeling these at first, but I was like, I need to wake the fuck up, man. I don't know why the hell I'm sleeping on these. These shit's hard. If you sleeping, wake up to these shoes, man. Real classic, real nice shoe, man. I know this is my first shoe review or whatever. I just got it today. Just gonna go around the shoe. I'm not a collector. Feel me? I really like the bottom. See, can I get closer? This is a look at the bottom. Look at the little hints of red in the bottom. I mean, you got the little penny logo right there. Carbon fiber is really, let me get it right for you. It's really hard. You feel me? I can't pluck it right now like I was doing because holding the video camera with one hand, but really hard carbon fiber. You got the penny logo in the back, got the red and black on the heel tab. You got it on the tongue. These are factory lace, so I'm gonna get my other one right quick, cause I did lace these as to what I wanted, so you can see the tongue. Tongue got the penny logo. Got the sock lining inside. You see that? Got the Nike swoosh air inside. You feel me? Got the swoosh on the toe box. Red and black stripe going up on the tongue. This is a really clean shoe, man. Got the Zoom Air on the whatever this car right here. See, can you see it? Zoom in. I said this is a really clean shoe. Wake up if you're sleeping, man. This you got the little, I don't know what this called, so, but it's really smooth. What else? Showed you the bottom. And back to the snaps. Right, quick. Back to the snaps. Mighty Ducks is sold. Feel me? Mighty Ducks is sold, but if you want, I don't think I put this in my last video, for sale video. You want the Pittsburgh? Hit me up. All offers. World Series. Hit me up if you want it. I still haven't sold this yet. Hit me up if you want it. Hit me up if you want it. I'll do 15 ship for that. Get on the ground. I don't think I showed this either. I might have, but if I did, oh well. If I didn't, okay, here it is. Philly. Hit me up. Oh yeah, back to the shoes. I'm gonna show you how much I paid for them. Well, this is the box that came in. How much I paid for them. I shop on eBay. These were brand new. Even got the shoe horns inside. I paid $157. A good price for them. See, I got it from this seller. So can you get that? The first one on who I got it from. Okay. But yeah, hit me up if you're trying to cop a snap. Oh yeah, I got these for sale too. I got these for sale. Get all this stuff out of the way. Jordan box. These are the Jordan Comforts Viz Air 11s. Hit me up, all offers. Very nice shoe. I got them for my birthday. My birthday was March the 4th, so it hasn't been that long. Been a couple months. Got the blue. These are mixed with the Air Maxes. Got the air bubble. See right through. It's a very clean shoe. The bottom is yellowed a little. I mean, not that bad. Got a Jordan. Jordan Simone ton. They are 11.5s. Yeah, they are 11.5s. Even got the shoe horns. Check out the insole. See, the Jordan is fading a little bit, but check out the other shoe. See Jordan on the side right here. Got the air bubble.